Welcome to the distributed system course. In the previous session, we discussed Bully election algorithm in distributed system. Today, we are going to discuss ring election algorithm in distributed system. Many algorithms used in distributed system require a coordinator that perform functions needed by other processes in the system. The election algorithms are designed to choose a coordinator. That is, the distributed algorithms require one process to act as a coordinator or an initiator or a sequencer or which perform as some special role. So it is sometimes necessary that for a set of process, a process must be elected as a leader or a coordinator. The leader election required that all the process agree on a common distinguished process. We can term it as a leader. The goal of the election algorithm is to ensure that when a election start, it conclude with all the process agree on who is who should be the coordinator. It does not matter which process take that special responsibility, but one of them has to do it. That is, any process can initiate the algorithm to choose a new coordinator. There is no distinction between the processes. So to achieve this, several election algorithms have been proposed so far. Some of them are, that is Bully algorithm and election ring algorithm. We already discussed the Bully algorithm in the previous section. In the case of the Bully algorithm, the process which have higher process number will get the chance to become the coordinate. In this case, we use three messages, that is election and OK message and coordinator message. When a particular node want to send a message to its coordinator, it will send the message to the concerned coordinator. If the particular coordinator does not respond within a particular time, then the sender the sender will get an idea about the particular coordinator is crashed, so it can it can initiate an election for the new coordinator. So it will send the election message to its higher numbered process. Then after that it will get an coordinator with a higher process number. But the number of messages used to elect a particular coordinator in Bully algorithm is very high because we are using election OK and coordinator message. So it may be it depends on which process initiate the election. If consider a situation with the 5 process up 1 2 3 4 5, previously the 5 was the coordinator which has a higher number, so it was the coordinator in the previous, but the previous coordinator was crashed. So when a node the process 1 initiate the election, then it will send a message to its higher number process 2 3 4 and 5, and then the all other process, if the higher number processes are interested in participating in the election, then it will send OK message to 1. Then one's job is over. Then 2 will start its election same. It will send high numbered process 3 4 5. Then all other if or any of the node want to participate in the election, it will send a OK message to 2. Likewise, the 4 will become the coordinator, and 4 will send the coordinator message to all other mesh. So in this case, if the one is starting the election, the total number of messages it is sent is totally 20 messages are needed to elect a particular process. That is, it need around 10 messages to election message to messages and 6 OK messages and 4 coordinator message to perform the election. If we choose if for process 4 initiated the election, that is the 4 first identify the failure of the previous coordinator, then it will send only one election message to 5 only, because there is here only one node which has have a higher number than 4, so it will send only one election message to 5. Then after some time the particular process 5 is crashed, so it will not send any reply. So after some times it is identified that it is the only process which have higher number in the system, so it will send coordinator message to all other system all other members in the system. So here it needs only total 5 messages, the total 5 messages to select the coordinator. So that is one message, one election message, and the number of OK message is 0, and the coordinator message is 4. So totally 5 messages are needed. So it depends on which process identify the failure of the particular process. That is the case of Bully algorithm. So the traffic in this systems, when we using Bully algorithm to select a particular coordinator in the distributed system, the traffic may be very huge. So the next algorithm is a ring algorithm. This ring algorithm was proposed by Silver Schatz and Galvin in 1994. In the ring algorithm, all the nodes in the systems are organized in a logical ring manner. That is, all are connected in a logical ring manner. Each process is known the order of the process in the ring. That is, each process has an idea about all other process in the ring. The ring is unidirectional, that is so that all the process or all the messages related to the election algorithms are always passed only in one direction. So the ring algorithm is a logical ring which is a unidirectional ring, that is each process can send message to the process on its right, or we can say that it work like clockwise direction only. So it can send a message to its successor node in the system in only in one direction. The data structure used in this algorithm is named as active list, which is a list that has a priority number of all active process or process number of all active process in the system. While sending the message to circulate over the ring, if a successor of the sender node is down, then the sender can skip over the successor. That is, if a processor able to skip a faulty system, instead of sending to the process J, it can send a message to the next successor, that is J plus 1. The faulty system means those that does not respond in fixed amount of time. So while sending the message to, or circulate over the ring, a process can skip over the its successor if the successor is failed. The basic idea of the ring algorithm is, when a process send a request message to the current coordinator and it does not receive a reply within a fixed amount of time, it assumes that the coordinator has crashed. So it initiates an election by sending an election message to its successor. This message contains the process number, or we can say that the priority number of that process. On receiving the election message, the successor appends its own process number to the message and pass it to the next active members in the ring. In this manner, the election message is circulated over the ring from one active process to another active process and eventually returned back to the process which initiate the election. Then that process that which initiate the election recognize the message as its own election message by seeing that in the list of the process number, active process number held within the message, the first priority number or process number is its own. It identifies that it is circulated, it perform, it visit all the active process in the ring. Among this list, it elect the node with a higher priority number or process number as the new coordinate. Then it circulates a coordinator message over the ring to inform that the election is over and the new active coordinator is a particular node. The coordinator message come back to the process that initiate start the election. It remove the coordinator message from the system or ring. When a failed process recovered, that is a particular situation. When a failed process recur after failure, it create an inquiry message and send it to its successor. The message contain its process ID also. If the successor is not the current coordinator, it is simply forward to the next successor node. So in this manner, the inquiry message move forward around the ring until it reaches the current coordinator. On receiving the inquiry message, the current coordinator send a reply message to the process that restart after some times. It contains the information about the coordinator also. While the message circulate over the ring, if the successor of the sender node is down, then the sender can skip over the successor or the one after another. Then it will reach an active members in the ring. Then to understand the working of the ring algorithm, we can go to an example. That is a group of 8 processes numbered from 0 to 7. You can see that it is a logical ring that is connected by using some dotted lines. That means it is a logical ring. So the ring is only in unidirectional ring. That is, it is circulated over clockwise manner. We can say that it is sending to the right successor only also. So here only each and every node can send message to its successor node only in unidirection, that is clockwise direction. That is the case. Now the previous coordinator was 7. The coordinator has crashed. So one of the any process can identify it, but when the two message identified that the particular previous coordinator were crashed, it will start an election by sending an election message which contains its process number. So it will send the election message to its successor node 3, which contains the process number of the process 2. So it will send an election message to node 3 which contains the process ID 2. Then it will forward the same message to another node by appending its own process number. So 3 will send the election message to the next successor, that is 4, with appending its process number 3 to the election message. Then the 4 will also send the message by appending its own process number 4 to its successor 5. then 5 will also forward this message by appending its own process number, that is 5. Then the 6, come to the 6, the next node or successor of 6 is 7, which has crashed, so it cannot send message to 7, so it will skip over the 7 and it will send to the next active process in the ring, that is this message will send by appending its own process number 6 to process 0. Then that election message is received by 0 and it will also forward this message by appending its own process number. Then it is forward to 1, then it next forward to 2 by appending one's process number to the election message. Then after reaching the same message to the initiator, that is the election initiator 2, it can see that the first element in the active list is or election message is 2. So it can recognize that the election message circulated over the ring, so it can identify the coordinator by searching the active numbers in the active process numbers in the list. So here the process number 6 has the higher number, so the process 6 is selected as the new coordinator in the system. So then it will send the coordinator message which contains the process number of the new coordinator to its successor node. So 2 will send a coordinator message to 6, coordinator message to 3 which contains 6 as the new coordinator. Then that message is circulated over this ring again, that is coordinator 6 will send message, coordinator 6 will send to 4, then 5 to 5, then 6, then 6 will skip over the 7 and send it to 0, and then the same message will send it to 1, and then same message is sent it to 2 also. So after receiving the coordinator message of which contains the 6's number, by the initiator node can, or initiator process can identify that it inform the new coordinator to all the process in the system. So it will remove that coordinator message from the ring or from the system. That is the idea of the ring algorithm. Then 6 will become the new coordinator. This is how the ring algorithm work for the election of the new coordinator. In a particular situation, if two nodes can simultaneously start the election. If the 7 node, the previous coordinator has crashed, is identified by 2 process 2 and 5 simultaneously, it will start the elections simultaneously. That is, 2 can start the election at the same time. 5 can also start the election by the same way we are already discussed. So after completion, the 2 will get an active list of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 1, and at the same time the 5 will get also the same number in some particular order, 5, 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from this active list, the particular process 2 and 5 can identify the new coordinator, that is the process which a high number. So both will select 6 as the coordinator, and it will inform all other process. So in this case, the message in the system, or the traffic in the system, is very huge, because the two messages are circulating simultaneously in the system. That is, election started by the 2 and the election initiated by 5. circulated over the ring, so the traffic in this particular system is heavy. This is one of the problem of this algorithm also. That is about the ring algorithm. Okay, thank you. Then